Welcome to English Quizler. Think your grammar skills are sharp enough? In this quiz, I've got 40 tricky English questions, a perfect mix of easy, medium, and advanced levels to test how well you know English. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel. Let's begin.
Thank you, I appreciate your reply. I'm going to see you later. The event starts at dusk. We have a little time to decide. She agreed to attend the meeting next week. We must sort out the error before release. If he had arrived earlier, he would have seen it. The photos will be posted tomorrow. Whom did you invite to the party? This update is more efficient than the previous one. I would be grateful if you could confirm. To bite the bullet means to accept and face it. She delivered an honest evaluation yesterday. He said he would finish the next day. We need to meet the deadline. There is little chance of success. He apologized for the misunderstanding. The regulations, whose wording is complex, confuse many. She avoids being late for meetings. By noon, we will have finished the draft. The best headline is "Who new CEO appointed?" The proposal was readily accepted. He used to cycle to school when he was young. She can drive, can't she? At 17, she could swim across the river. Poor insulation contributes to high energy costs. Only after the tests did we relax. He asked whether I agreed. I'd rather leave now than later. She took on the role at short notice. They had the windows repaired last week. What effect will the new rule have? His presentation was very concise and to the point. He asked me where the files were. On Sundays she takes long walks. Had I been warned, I would have acted. Please book an appointment online. Every team member must bring his or her own passport. She is extremely meticulous about protocol. Rarely have I received such a helpful reply.
Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.